Okay, let's give these a go. This is page 313, a 7.2 exercise set, and in all cases these are nonlinear relations where you have one linear equation and one nonlinear, and you're asked to find all the real solutions of the systems. Well, we're going to do two of them. We're going to do D and J. So D says x squared plus y equals 4. So let's just rephrase that into a y equals. Well, that's easy. Let's just get the x squared over there to the right. And to do that, we have y equals negative x squared plus 4. And the second one, let's get everything over to the right as well, and we get y equals negative 2x plus 1. And that means, of course, that this is y and this is y, and those must be equal to each other, so I can rewrite that as negative x squared plus 4 equals to negative 2x plus 1. And if that's the case, I can collect the terms here. Let's move it all to the right. So we're going to add x squared to both sides and subtract 4 from both sides. So we're going to get 0 equals x squared minus 2x minus 3. And so we need to factor this. If we can factor it, we need two numbers that add to minus 2 and multiply to minus 3. So that looks like subtract minus 3 and plus 1. So x plus 1, x minus 3. So I get two values for x. I got x, well, let's put it this way. I got negative 1 and something, tells us here, and here it's plus 3 and something. So now to solve it, we just have to figure out the y. So when x equals negative 1, what does y equal? Well, I can take either equation if I'm really confident, or if I want to double check, I can check it through on both. If x is negative 1, then negative 1 squared is 1. So the negative sign makes it negative 1. Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. That's what the first equation tells me. If x is negative 1, let's double check on the second one. Negative 2 times negative 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So I'm pretty confident about this solution set. Let's plug the 3 in. 3 squared is 9. Negative 9 plus 4 is negative 5. Let's check this set out in this equation. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6, plus 1 is negative 5. So these are going to be correct solution sets. Let's try the next example down here. It already gives us the y equals and the y equals. That's convenient. That just means that this stuff equals this stuff. If that's the case, I'll write it out as such. X squared minus 6x equals x minus 12. So if I want to collect the terms, this time I'm going to move everything over to the left-hand side, and I've got x squared minus 7x plus 12 equals 0. So do I have two numbers that will add to minus 7 and multiply to 12? Well, 6 and 2, no. 3 and 4, yes. So negative 3, negative 4. X minus 3, x minus 4 equals 0. So my solution set then will have x as a 3 and x as a 4. So plugging these in again, the 3 goes into the first one. 3 squared is 9 minus 6 times 3. 9 minus 18, in other words, equals negative 9. Let's double check it on the second one. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. Looks good. Let's try a 4. 4 squared is 16 minus 6 times 4, or 16 minus 24 is negative 8. Does that work in the second one? 4 minus 12 is negative 8. So these are my solutions.